How to remove background on CapCut. First of all, open CapCut on your PC or phone, and you can just go ahead and enter, or you can bring in a video. So after you bring in a video, just go ahead and click on the video of here. So after you do that, you can go to video. So on the right hand side is video. Just go ahead and click on this option of remove background. As soon as you click on it, you can find auto removal. Go ahead and tap on this once, and as you can see that it will start processing. Once it is done processing, the background will be removed. Make sure that you have your face in the video, and the background will be removed, only focusing on your face. So after the processing is done, the background removal will be done as well. So guys, this is how easy it is to remove your background on CapCut. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more.